Back in 2011, Land Rover had an incredibly successful launch of the new Evoque. 2013 saw the first major launch since this. The all-new Range Rover Sport was the most important thing of the fiscal year. It had to reinforce a new Land Rover positioning, which was forward-facing and inspiring. We needed a communication strategy that delivered against these objectives. It had to deliver a big brand statement that reached our target audience. It had to deliver a shared experience. We identified the airport environment because it provided a perfect place where affluent families are preparing to go away on a summer holiday. It gave them dwell time to explore and experience the new sound of a Range Rover Sport.
The idea, the concept was born from Rainey Kelly, the creative agency, who wanted to see a physical pedal built into a digital 6-sheet unit with audio from the engine being displayed back through that 6-sheet unit.
So what was both exciting and different about the Range Rover campaign was that both myself and our airports were involved in the whole process start to finish. I was in the offices of Rainey Kelly. I was also in the offices of Grand Visual, seeing the whole effect come together. So there were 10 separate companies working together, and the results are there for all to see. We had a real media first in the airport. We used a sound shower that hadn't been used before, and I think it's a real testament to everyone involved that we were able to meet the very tight deadline.
It's the first time that we've used physical interaction from an inanimate object to control digital copy and audible sound on a digital 6-sheet, so it's a massively exciting build. The build was an Arduino and potentiometer build. The physical sound and the roar of an engine is something that's quite hard to recreate digitally. So it involved us going to record the sound of the engine at the Range Rover HQ. That collaboration between the media owner, specifically with Mark James and Joe Cassidy at our relationship meant that we got to work in a very short time frame and get things done, and it shows a real can-do attitude from a media owner who can open up the doors to an interagency collaborative partnership. There are obvious complexities when dealing with a physical build in airports, health and safety, and the ability to get in there and put in equipment. It was made easier by working with I and that expert to make sure that installation runs smoothly and on time.
We see advertising as very central to playing its part in the ambience of the departure lounges.
Gatwick were really helpful with this. They approved the campaign very quickly because they were fully aware of just how much this would enhance the passenger experience at Gatwick, and the fact that they would have a media first in their airport.
People are looking for experience and they want to sort of see something new and interesting.
The finished result turned out to be the first interactive campaign in a UK airport that combined both digital and sound.
So when we actually went to the airport to see it, it was a really exciting moment. We had all the agencies involved, the creative guys and the client themselves. We saw members of the public interacting with it. We all had a go ourselves, it was great fun, and the client themselves, Les Knight, said that it exceeded all expectations, which as a sales guy was really pleasing to hear.